In the series of digital electronics, their lecture, online lectures that I start with in previous class that we have discussed the Boolean algebra, and in this class that we will do that rules in brief. Following are the important rules used in Boolean algebra. Variable used can have only two values, binary 1 for high and 0 for low. Complement of a variable is represented by an over bar. Thus, complement of variable b is represented as b bar. Thus, if b is 0, then b bar is 1. And if b is 1, then b bar will be 0. Now go to what condition o-ring of the variables is represented by plus sign between them. For example, o-ring ABC is given as a plus b plus c, and that is a representation of o-ring. Logical ending of the two or more variables is represented by writing a dot between them. That is the case of multiplication, such as a dot b dot c. Sometimes that dot may be omitted like ABC. Boolean laws. There are 6 types of Boolean laws. Commutative law. Any binary operation which satisfies the following expression is referred to as a commutative law. A plus b is equal to b plus c. A dot b is equal to b dot a. Commutative law states that changing the sequence of the variables does not have any effect on the output of a logic circuit. Associative law. This law states that the order in which the logic operations are performed is irrelevant as their effect is the same. A plus and within a bracket b plus c is equal to bracket a plus b plus c. We can a bracket bc is equal to bracket abc. Distributive law. Distributive law states that the following condition: a b plus c, ab a plus c. AND law. These laws use the AND operation, that is a multiplication operation. Therefore, they are called AND law. A dot 0 is equal to 0. A dot 1 is equal to A. A dot A. A dot A bar is equal to 0. It means anything is off, output will be off. If you multiply it by 0, you get a 0. So that is the condition. And 0 into 0, you get your 0. And bar you have, that's an inverting system. A bar, A is 1, A bar will be 0. And 0 multiplied A, you get 0. OR law. These laws use the OR operation. Therefore, they are called as OR laws. A plus 0 is equal to A. A plus 1, 1. A plus A. A plus A bar is equal to 1. So, if input is on, output will be on. That is a law ORing, and that is a OR operation. So, it has an addition. Inversion law. And this law uses for NOT operation. Inversion law states that the double inversion of a variable results in the original variable itself. A dot A bar is equal to 0. Important Boolean theorems. Following are few important Boolean theorems, and these theorems is to be discussed in the lecture number 3.